Africa Twin, top speed, red line every gear. Ready? That's it, pinned open, and that's all she's got. We're slight uphill, but not enough to really change anything. I am going slightly into the wind, so that could be affecting it, but right around that 112 to 118, I think, is going to be close to the top, maybe 120 if aiming downhill a little bit or with the wind at my back. This morning we're on a road that's a little bit downhill facing. We don't have the wind pushing at our chest, so alright, so here we are cruising 6th gear, 90 miles an hour. Once it gets to 115, it just kind of sits there. There really isn't a push after that. It just kind of sits there, and depending on the weather conditions, road slant, things of that nature, you might feel it go up a little bit or down a little bit, but it's right around that 115 that it feels pretty much topped out.